Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Emily and Paul.
Hi, guys. How are you today? Are you happy? Sleepy? Drinking coffee like me?
Paul is always drinking coffee.
Yes, coffee is my best friend. Sorry, Max.
Oh no, your dog is crying now.
Max, I still love you. But coffee, extra love.
Anyway, we are very happy you are here with us today. If this is your first time, welcome. If you come back every week, thank you. We love you.
Yes, big high five.
How do you feel today, Paul?
I feel good. A little tired, but excited to learn English.
Perfect. Me too. And today's lesson is easy, fun, and very useful in daily life.
Useful is good. I like useful. I need useful English when I talk and when I make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay,
Good, because I make many.
and that's why we are here. We learn step by step together.
Small steps.
Yes, small steps every day. So, what are we learning today?
Tell me, Teacher Emily. I am ready. My brain is open.
Today we talk about 3 very common verbs: look, see, and watch.
Oh, danger.
Why danger?
Because I always mix them. Always.
You are not alone. Many English learners feel the same. They think, is it look? Is it see? Is it watch?
Yes, my brain says choose one and pray.
Well, today no praying. Today you will understand.
I like this plan.
We will make it simple, clear, with many examples from real life.
Max? Bella? Pizza?
Of course, all of them.
Best lesson ever.
And by the end of this episode, you will feel more confident using these verbs in conversations.
Confidence. I need that.
Before we start, a quick reminder. If you enjoy learning English in a relaxed, fun way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us make more lessons.
And you can practice with us every week.
Free English friends.
Exactly. Ready to begin?
Let's go.
All right, let's start simple. 3 verbs. Look, see, watch. They are all about what your eyes do.
Yes, my eyes are working. Good start.
But they are different.
Ah, here comes the problem.
Don't worry, step by step. Look means you try to use your eyes. You make an effort.
Try. Effort.
Yes, you want to see something, so you look. For example, look at Max. Look at that pizza. Look at me.
Everyone, please don't look at me.
Why?
Because my hair is crazy today.
Your hair is always crazy.
True.
Notice we say look at. Very important.
Look at. Look at. Look at.
Great repetition. If I say, Paul, look at Bella, I want you to move your eyes to Bella.
Okay, I turn my head. I focus.
Yes, you try.
Can I say, see at Bella?
Nope.
Already wrong. Good job, Paul.
We say look at, not see at. Listeners, say with us, look at the dog.
Look at the dog.
Look at the cat.
Look at the cat.
Perfect.
Yesterday I said to my friend, "Look at this photo."
Perfect.
Yes, I felt like a grammar king.
You were. So remember, look equals you try. Look at something.
Try, focus, look at.
Ready for the next verb?
I was born ready.
See is different. You are not trying. Your eyes just receive the information.
No effort.
Exactly. For example, I see Max. I see a car. I see a coffee shop.
I like coffee shops. I always see them.
Yes, because you look for them.
Ah, so first I look, then I see.
Beautiful, Paul. Yes. Imagine you walk outside. Suddenly, oh, I see Bella in the window. You didn't plan it.
Bella is watching us.
Yes, a little scary.
Can I say, every morning I am seeing coffee?
Not really. We usually say, I see coffee, or I can see coffee.
English is strong. Coffee is stronger.
Often, see is about something that comes to you. No trying.
Lazy eyes.
Natural eyes. See equals, it happens naturally. No effort.
It comes to my eyes.
If I say, look at the sky, you move your head. If I say, I see clouds, they are already there.
Oh, click in my brain.
Good. Say this with us. I see a dog.
I see a dog.
I see my phone.
I see my phone.
Nice. Ready for the last verb?
I'm nervous, but excited.
Watch means you look at something for a period of time, usually something moving.
Long time. Movement.
Yes. Examples. Watch TV. Watch a movie. Watch people. Watch Max run.
I love to watch Max run. He is crazy.
He runs like you cook.
Bad?
Very. When you watch, you pay attention, not just 1 second.
Focus for time.
Exactly. Look at the TV. Now you are ready. You see the picture, but you watch the movie.
Oh, wow. This is good. Can I say, I watch a bird in the sky?
If you follow it for some time, yes. If you just notice it, I see a bird.
English is logic. I like.
Watch equals look for some time, often movement.
Watch TV. Watch a movie. Watch Max destroy my house.
Correct. Let's practice a small story. Ready?
I was born ready. Part 2.
You come to my house.
Okay.
I say, Paul, look at Bella.
I move my eyes. I try.
Good. Then,
Now I see Bella.
yes.
And Bella is playing, so I watch Bella.
Perfect.
I am a genius.
Small genius.
At night, I watch TV.
Good.
Then I see my fridge
Why?
because it calls me.
Danger.
Then I look at the pizza.
And
I watch it disappear.
Amazing English. Terrible diet. See? You can do it. Simple words. Small changes.
I feel smarter.
Because you practice. I say the situation. You choose. You ready?
Yes.
You try to find your keys.
Look.
The keys are in your hand.
See.
You sit and enjoy a movie.
Watch.
Excellent. You can practice this at home. Talk to yourself. For example, I am looking at my phone. I see my coffee. I watch TV.
I do this. People think I am crazy.
You are learning. Remember, repetition helps. Say it again and again.
Look. See. Watch.
Again.
Look. See. Watch.
Perfect. Wow, we learned a lot.
My brain is full, but in a good way.
Good. Let's review together. Very simple.
I like review. Review makes me calm.
Number 1. Look equals you try. You say look at something. Example?
Look at Bella. Look at the pizza. Look at my mistakes.
Perfect. Number 2. See equals it happens naturally. No effort.
I see Max. I see coffee. I see trouble.
Very nice. Number 3. Watch equals you look for some time. Often something moving.
Watch TV. Watch a movie. Watch Max run crazy.
Yes. So remember, try means look. Natural means see. Time and attention means watch.
This is clear. I love it.
Here is our advice. Keep it simple. Practice a little every day. 10 to 15 minutes is great.
Yes, small steps.
Speak to yourself. Describe your day. I am looking at my phone. I see my friend. I watch TV.
You can do this anywhere.
Exactly. And please remember, mistakes are okay.
I hope so.
They are part of learning. Be patient. Have fun.
Fun English is the best English.
Yes.
What? Already finished?
I know. Time flies when you learn English.
I want more.
Me too. But don't worry. We will be back with another episode very soon.
Yes, more mistakes from Paul.
And more progress from Paul.
I like your version better.
Today you learned something very powerful. Now you know the difference between look, see, and watch.
Before, it was confusion.
And now?
Clarity.
Yes, that makes me so happy. If this episode helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe to learn with us every week.
You are improving step by step, and we are proud of you.
Very proud.
Tell us in the comments, what are you watching these days? A movie? A series? YouTube?
Yes, we want ideas.
And try to make a sentence with look or see too.
Short sentence is perfect.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
We know your time is important.
Keep practicing. Keep smiling.
And don't burn water like me.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.